Good morning, friends. This is the postage stamp of Kuwait. That means state of Kuwait, Dawlatul Kuwait. This postage stamp is of 20 fils. Fils is the paise of Kuwait. That is the denomination of Kuwait. Kuwait's main currency is dinar KD. This is the part of KD. 20 fils postage stamp. I am proud of that. I am the philatelist. My hobby is collecting the coins and postage stamps and antique items, old and historical items, historical coins, Indian coins and international coins, international notes, international currencies, international postage stamps, Indian postage stamps. If you want to communicate with me, my channel will provide you much more information and knowledge about coin collecting and information about new and old coins and notes. To knowledge, you should subscribe my channel, and I will come back after some time with new video. Thanks for watching this video.